Residents were warned to brace for the worst as the strongest winds in a century lashed Puerto Rico.
Was devastated by a Category 5 hurricane. 100% of the customers on the island lost power.
The challenges that we had were historical.
Every day is like a fight, and I am worried because I have a little kid like 5 years old.
Y a partir de ese momento mi mente se nubló y yo lo único que busqué fue preservar mi vida y preservar la vida de mis animales.
I think that we have to help each other like we neighbors.
It was a nightmare for us. A lot of wind, rain. Other words is no power in the island.
The immediate goal here is to restore power to the people of Puerto Rico.
These are folks that, when asked, raise their hand to leave their families and go help.
Massive reinforcements are on the ground, trying to get 500,000 people back on the grid.
We're here to get the lights back on for the people of Puerto Rico.
We definitely did touch ground back in early November. We were one of the first companies down here on the ground.
Our plane is coming in today with 71 additional wanted. 50 of them are actually line workers. We've got our scouts and some support staff.
You know, we're away from our family, away from our friends, and this is what we want to do. We want to help people to see hope.
We are here and committed to be with you the entire period to restore your lights and to get your lives back to normal.
I volunteered because I thought this was important to help people in need.
We have a team of 48. Most of them are linemen.
It's so logical that we as an industry, and it's not just EEI, it's also APPA and NRECA, to come and help the people of Puerto Rico in restoring power as safely and quickly as we can.
Hey, my name is Nelson Velez. I am director from Prepa Company. We need a lot of help. We have too few crew.
Right now we're in the Carolina region, just outside of the town of Fajardo.
We've come in from Louisville, Kentucky, from LG&E.
I'm a distribution engineer out of Metro South in Atlanta. We got about 5 crews up here. We got Georgia Power crew on this side. Got another Georgia Power crew on the other side of the mountain with Minnesota Power, Gulf Power, and Mississippi Power.
And I'm an apprentice from Centerpoint Energy out of Houston, Texas.
I'm a superintendent leading a team of co-workers from Missouri and Illinois.
I think that's the beauty of the electric industry, and we come together as an industry and as individuals.
With the resources that we have on the island, we've brought in the total about 3,000 people, line workers and support personnel that have come to the island over the period of time. Then we have the folks from the Corps. We're going to see that we're going to have about over 5,500 total resources working to restore power to the island. This is a retirement home that we just got power to.
Bastante difícil, sobre todo los encamados que necesitaban la energía. Eso fue lo más que le afectó a ellos, el calor.
We are going to be energizing about 25 to 30 houses here this morning.
Keep it safe, keep it slow. Guys are going up on the mountain, you're going to work on some of that secondary stuff.
These poles are on rooftops, and it got pretty crushed by the wind, so we're here rebuilding that rooftop pole system.
The north side tunnel was still so small, we needed to take the truck apart.
With a little bit of work and effort, team effort, we got it through the tunnel and made history.
The outlook is slowly getting brighter in Puerto Rico.
This is truly about helping people out, and you come down here and they want to give back to you as much as you want to try to give to them. That's pretty unique.
hit Puerto Rico, I really wanted to be part of the team to come and help out.
And knowing that my brother and his co-workers are here, we're very happy.
Perfect. I'm happy about that.
That's fun. I know it's not easy. It's not easy. And so I don't speak too much English, but thank you guys from the bottom of my heart. Love you guys. God bless you.
A las 5, a las 5.
Gracias a todo el mundo. I'm very, very happy. And it's give us some hope that it's gonna be more better every day.
If you ever need us again,
we're always here for you.
Because that's what family does.
Viejo San Juan, cuántos sueños formé en mis años de infancia, mi primera ilusión y mis cuitas de amor son recuerdos del alma. Una tarde partí, así extraña nación, pues lo quiso el destino, pero mi corazón se quedó frente al mar. En mi viejo San Juan.